Look, Chaucy. Flowers from an admirer. I wonder who it could be. I know. I'll put them in a vase of water. Oh, Chaucy. How gay to receive flowers on a day like this. So dreadfully cold. I think I'll sit for a spell and have some tea. My lonely flat. No one but you, Chaucy. Chaucy, are you listening? I said no one but you in a lonely flat. Never talk back. So dreadfully quiet. I wonder when the post will be arriving. What was that? A knock at the door? Come in! No one ever comes in. Oh, Chaucy, what are we ever to do? A life in show business is no life at all. It's a life of strangers, cheap hotel rooms, stale cigarette smoke and lonely flats. With ne'er sweet bread or custard, a fine jewel to sit upon my finger. Chaucy, Chaucy, take a bath. You've gotten dirty. Pretty bird in her cage. Pretty bird in my cage. I know. I shall check my reflection in the looking glass and see if perhaps I am any more beautiful today than I was yesterday. Oh dear me, that was not what I was expecting at all. Terribly frightful. Oh, I can't look. I can't look any longer. What's that? Chaucy? Do you hear that playful tune on the phonograph somewhere? I think it's Camptown Races. Chaucy, Camptown Races is your favorite. Chaucy?